Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will do the question number 1 of exercise 6.4 of class 8th. Question number first is find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. It means we have to find the square root of the given number but by the division method. So here we are not applying the prime factorization method. We have to apply division method, that is also called as a long division method. So you know, in the division we have to divide the given number by something, but here they did not given which number we have to put in the dividend. So divisor is 2 3 0 4. This is the number that square root we have to find. So square root of 2304 is equal to what that we have to find. Now we have to find the square root. So firstly we will do the pairings. What we have to do? Do the pairings from the ones digit. So here 4 and 0 will make one pair and 3 and 2 will become one pair. This is the square, that's why we have to do the pairing of 2. Now we have 23. First pair that will divide, that will be, we have to see, that is 23. So we have to see, we have to search that number whose square is equal to 23 or less than 23. So here I make the square table of ones digit. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. You can see here we want the 23 but here we have 25. So 5 square is 25 is more than 23. So less than is 16. Less than is 16. So from table of 4, what we are doing? We have to read the table of 4. We get 16 in the 4 square. So 4 here and 4 here. Okay. Now it will become 4 into 4, that will give us 16. Now here 23 minus 16 is 7. Okay, and here 0. Now always remember one thing, we have to copy it down one pair together. In the division we are copying single number, but in the long division method we have to copy whole pair down. Now this number will come here by the multiple of 2. It means we have to do the double of the first number that we taken. We taken 4. 4 double is 8. Okay. Now we have to put here one number such that, okay, such that we want to put a number here such that we have to get 704. We have to get 704. Now 4 is the ones digit. 4 is the ones digit. So in which number we have 4? Their square numbers. Okay. So here in the 64. In the 64 and in the 2, we have 4 on the ones digit. So firstly we have to do in the rough. So firstly I am putting here 2 because first 4 is coming in the 2 square and second 4 is coming in 8 square. So one time we will see with the 2 and one more time we will see with the 8. So here we are doing the checking only. Okay. So here it is 2. So here is also we have to put 2. If here is we are putting 8. So here also we have to put 8. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. So 164, that is less than 704. Let's see for 8. 8 8s are 64. 4 downside, 6 above side. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 704. That is accurate equal to. Okay. So what we have to put? We have to put here 8 and this multiple 8 will go upside. and after multiplication of 88 into 8 is 704. After subtraction, none of the value is here. Now, which is the answer? Answer is 48. It means under root 2304 is the square root of 48. This is the first question. Maybe some students are getting confused. Don't get confused. We will do the same question in the same order. Okay. Now second is 4489. Okay. Now we have to find the square root of 4489. 4489 will come here. Okay. Here is 4489. Now we will do the pairing from the ones. Okay. So ones tens first pair. 100 and 1000 will become one pair. Okay. 1 to first pair, 1 to second pair. Now we have to read the square whose square is less than 44 or equal to 44. Let's see. Less than 44 or equal to 44. Okay. But we don't go greater than 44. So here in the square table we have 49 more than 44. So we will see 36. 36 is the square of 6. Okay, 36 is the square of 6. So 6 is coming one time here and 6 will come one time here. 6 6 are 36. Okay. Now 44 minus 36 is 8. Okay. Now we will copy the next pair. Next pair is 89. Okay. We have to copy one pair together. Okay. Both number will come together downside. Now here what will come here? Here we have to double of 6. So double of 6 is 12. Now we have to put a number here. Now we have to put here a number. Here is 1 2 and first portion, and this we have to check. Okay. This we have to check that how can we get 889 by putting one digit, same digit here. So ones place we want as a 9. Ones place we want as a 9. So where we can find ones place as a 9? We can find one place as a 9 here in the 3 square and in the 7 square. 3 square and 7 square. So one time we will put here 3. If here is 3, so here also 3. If here is 7, so here is also 7 will come. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1 is 3. That is wrong because we want 889. Let's see here. 7 7s are 49, 4 will come here. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18, 8 downside, 1 carry. 7 1 is 7 and 1 8. So we get 889 by multiplying by 7. So here we have to put 7. Okay. So 7 one time will come here and next time it will come upside. So 7 will multiply by 127. Its answer is 889. After subtraction, here is 0. So answer is 67. So under root 4489 is 67. Now third is 529. Okay. Now we have to do the pairing first. 2 and 9 first pair and 5 is alone. So here we have two pair. First is 5 and second pair is 2 9. Now we want a number whose square is less than or equal to 5. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So 3 square 9 is more than 5. So we will take 2 square. Okay. 2 square is 4. And how it will come? It will come 2 into 2. 2 square is 4. After subtraction, 5 minus 4 is 1 and this pair will come downside. 2 9. Now we have to double the 2. Okay. Double the 2 is 4. Now we have to put a number here. Okay. On the ones place such that 4 multiply by such number, okay, both places is ones, whose multiplication will give us ones place as a 9. Okay, so 9 is coming on the square of only two numbers, that is 3 square and 7 square. So one time we will put here 3. Okay, let's put for the 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, we get absolutely 129. So there is a no need of checking for doing the 7 multiplication. 3, this 3 will come here and this 3 will go upside. 43 multiplied by 3 is 129. After subtraction is 0. So answer is under root 529 is the square root of 23. Fourth is 3 4 8 1. Again we will do the pair 8 1 and 3 4. Two pair is here. Now we want a number whose square is less than 34 or equal to 34. So here as you can see, less than 34 is 25 because 36 is greater than 34. So we will put 5 square. Okay. So 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. So after subtraction 34 minus 25 is 9. Now 81 pair will come downside. Now 5 double is 10. Okay. So we want a number that here, that after multiplication we want ones place as a 1. Okay, ones place is a 1. So in the square we have ones place 1 in only the case of 1 and only in the case of 81. Okay, so 9 square and 1 square. So if I put here 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is again we have 101. So that is obviously less than 981. So we will put here 9 because 9 square is 81. In that 1 is on the ones place. So here we will put 9 on both places. 9 9s are 81. 1 here, 8 on the carry. 9 zeros is 0 plus 8 8. 9 1 is 9. So it will absolutely 981. So here we have to put 9 and here also we have to put 9. 9 into 9, so 109 multiplied by 9 is 981. After subtraction nothing. So square root of 3481 is 59. Now fifth question is 3249. So we have to find the square root of 3249. So this number will come here 3249. We will do the pair. Okay, we have to do the pairing. Now we have to write such number here whose square is less than or equal to 32. So less than 32 is only 25. Okay, who is the square of 5? So what we have to put here? We will put here 5 and 5 into 5. Okay, here 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, 32 minus 25 is 7. Now we will copy the next pair, that is 49. Now here 5 double will come here, that is 10. Now we want a number here. Now we want a number here such that after multiplication of that number into each other we want ones place as a 9. So in whose square we have ones place as a 9? Only in two cases, that is 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49. So let's one time we will put 3 and one time we will put here 7. Let's see which condition is satisfying. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1 is 3. That is wrong because we want 749. Let's see for the 7. 7 7s are 49, 9 4, again 4 will come and 7 1 is 7. Just same. So we have to put here 7. On both the places, what will come? 7, 7. So 7, 107 multiplied by 7, its answer is 749. After subtraction, nothing. So under root, square root of 3249 is 57. Now sixth is, we have to find the square root of 1369. So 1369 will come here in the long division method. Firstly, we will do the pairing. Here is the pairing. Now we want a number whose square is less than or equal to 13. So less than or equal to 13 is only 9 because 16 is greater. So 9 is the square of 3. So what we will put here? 3. Okay. So here 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Which number we are writing here first? That same number will come here. Okay. 13 minus 9 is 4. Now next pair 69 will come together here. Now we will do the double of above number. Double of above number is 3. 3 double is 6. Now we want a number here such that 6 into number multiply by same number. 6 and that number multiply by same number. Okay, but such that whose ones place is a 9. So in whose square ones place is a 9? In only two cases we have ones place is a 9, 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49. In these only two cases we have 9. Okay, we are looking only for the ones square. Okay, ones place square digit we are looking. Okay, so here 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49. So we will do for the both. Firstly I am doing for the 7. Okay, here 7 sevens are 49, 9 here, 4 upside. 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 4, 46. We get absolute right term. So this time 67 7 will come here and this 7 will go upside. 67 into 7, answer is 469. After subtraction, nothing. So what will come here? Here will come 37. Now 7 number question, we have to find the square root of 5776. Now 5776 will come here. Now firstly we will do the pairing such that first number will be the square of less than or equal to 57. So less than equal to 57 is only 49 because 64 is the greater and 49 is the square of 7. 49 is the square of 7. So 7 here, and which number we are writing here? Same number we have to write here. So 7 sevens are 49. Now 57 minus 49 is 8. Okay. Now next pair together will come here. Now 7 double will come here. 7 double is 14. Now we want a number here such that when we multiply number to each other, we want ones place as a 6. So in which cases we have 6 on the ones place? Here in the case of 4 square, 6 is here, and in the case of 36, 6 is here. Okay, 6 square and 3 square, sorry 4 square, 6 square and 4 square. So 4 and 6, let's see for together. Okay, both. One time we will put here 4 and one time we will put here 6. Let's see whose case is correct. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 6 niche, 6 downside, 1 above, carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 7, 1 on the carry. 4 1 is 4 and 5, which is less than. So let's see here. 6 6 are 36, 3 on the carry. 6 4s are 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27, 7 downside and 2 on the carry. 6 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So we get 876, that is absolutely right. So we will put here 6, 6. Here is 6. So here also we have to put here 6. Now here 146 multiplied by 6, its answer is 876. After subtraction we have 0. So here and square root of 5776 is 76. Eighth is 7921. So 7921 here. Now we will do the pairing. Here 1 tens 100,000. Okay. So here first pair of 79. So we will see the square whose square is less than or equal to 79. So less than equal to 79 is the only square is 64. 64 is the square of 8. So here firstly we will put here 8. First number will go same as here. Now we know 8 8s are 64. Okay. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and 7 minus 6 is 1. Now same above number will come downside. It will become 1521. Now 8 double will come here, that is 16. Now we want a number here. We want a number here that such that when we multiply to each other, we want ones place as a 1. Here we want ones place as a 1. So in which square we have 1 square? In 9 square we have 1 and in 1 square we have 1. So we will not see for the 1 square because same number will come. Nothing will increase in that. So we will put 9. If I will put here 9, so same number I have to put here 9. 9 9s are 81, 1 here and 8 is here. Now 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 is 62. 2 here, 6 above side. 9 1 is 9 plus 6 15. So same number we got after putting here what? After putting 9 here. If we are putting 9 here, so we have to put 9 also here. Okay. So here its answer 1521. After subtraction nothing. So under root 7921 value is 89, is the square root of 89. Now ninth number question is 576. Same number will come here. Firstly we will do the pairing and we have to check whose square is less than or equal to 5. 2 square is 4. Okay, 4 is absolutely less than 5. So 2 is here. So we will put 2 is here. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now next pair will come downside. Now 2 double is 4. Now we want a number here. Such that when we multiply to each other. So we want ones place as a 6. So in only two cases, that 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36. Okay. 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36. Let's see in which case it will satisfy. Okay. Firstly we will put here 4. If here is 4, so here is also 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 on the carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. So here we got at the first time same right answer, that is 176. That means here what will come? 4. So 4 is here, so 4 will go here and its answer is 176. Okay. So answer is square root of 576 is 24. Now 10th number question is 1024. Now we will do the pairing. Now whose square is less than or equal to 10? 3. 3 square is 9. So here is 3. If here is 3, so here is also 3. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now next pair will come downside as it is. Now 3 double will come here. 3 double is 6. Most of the time student are writing here 9. 9 is not the double, 9 is the square. Okay, we have to double the number. Now we want a number here that as a, when we multiply that number to that number, we want ones place as a 4. So in which cases we have 4? In only 2 cases we have 4, that is 2 square and 8 square. So firstly we will put here 2 and next we will put here 8. Let's see. Firstly I am putting here 2, so 2 will come here. 2 2s are 4 and 2 6 are 12. In the first time we get, right? So if 2 is here, so 2 will go here, and 62 multiplied by 2, its answer is 124. After subtraction we don't have anything, so here we completed. So square root of 1024 is 32. Now 11th is 3136. So here 3136. Now we will do the pairing. Here is the pair. Okay. Now we will check the square whose square is less than or equal to 31. So less than equal to 31 is only 25 and 25 is the square of 5. Okay. If 5 is coming here, so 5 will go there. 5 5s are 25. Okay. And here 31 minus 25 is 6. Okay. Now 36 we will copy. Okay, 36 will come downside. Now we will do the double of 5. Double of 5 is 10. We have to double of above number. Okay, most above number we will double here. Now we want a number here such that when we multiply that number to that number, we want ones place as a 6. Now in which cases we have only 6? In 2 cases we have 6, that is 4 square 16 and 6 square is 36. So let's see for the 4. Okay, here 4. So both sided will come here 4. So 4 4s are 16, 1 on the carry, 4 zeros is 0, 1 as it is, 4 1 is 4. It will give us 416. No, this will not work. Now we will put here 6. Okay, 6 6 are 36. 3 6 zeros is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 6 1 is 6. Now this is right. Now we have to put here which number? 6. If 6 is here, so 6 will also come here. Now 636. After subtraction 0 is here, so under root square root of 3136 is the square root of 56. Now last question of the exercise is 900. So 900 here. Now pairing, double pair, double pair. Now 3. Now 9. 9 is the square of 3. If 3 is here, so 3 will come here. 3 3s are 9. Okay. 9 minus 9 is 0. And when we copied same number together, 0 is here. We have to copy the pair is here. But here both number as a 0. That's why here we have to put directly 0. So 900 is the square root of 30. So here we completed question number first of the exercise 6.4.